I'm very passionate about teaching anatomy because anatomy is the heart of medicine. I love to learn my students the aspect of the complexity of the structure of the human body and to relate them to their clinical practice in CT and MRI and ultrasound.
I think Joseph's an excellent teacher because his learning style is very hands-on. He makes it really easy to learn.
He is able to work with the students in such a way that he's bringing his passion for his subject matter to life.
I believe that building relationship with the students is very crucial for creating a kind of interactive approach for teaching anatomy. My strategy is always be away from the whiteboard.
We love Joseph. He is the best anatomy teacher I've ever had. His interactive classes help me engage with learning because we're moving around and just visualising it in lots of different ways.
Because we are sometimes able to stand up and have a look at a model and walk around and move around, we can see the theory in practice.
He makes it really easy just to ask him questions. He's so approachable.
The assessment here is related to OSPE, which is Objective Structure Practical Exam. The benefit of that the students feel that it's a comprehensive assessment, and this comprehensive assessment making them feeling that their practical skills are fully assessed rather than just to rely to the traditional box and traditional written exam. The exam blueprint here is a kind of roadmap for the students. So the blueprint gives the students an idea for what the topics will be assessed and the weighting of these topics will be in the final exam. So they help very much to manage their time and to focus on the key areas.
The blueprints that Joseph gives us before an exam just helps us condense our learning and makes us study in a much more efficient way.
It gives them direction and purpose for the revision rather than them sort of looking at quite a large amount of content and not knowing where to start. It gives them that direction, that signpost for that process.
Teaching is one of my passions. I love to engage with the students and to give them my information. I believe that teaching can help and reshape our future generation.